Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a 1.4.2 Bukkit server on a Mac computer. So let's get started. First you have to make a new folder and name it Bukkit server or server, it doesn't matter. Okay, now bring your Bukkit server to the top. And then we have to download Bukkit, the Bukkit actual download. So go to the Bukkit website. This will be in the description. Click on this red thing right here, development build, and it'll start downloading. Let's just put on the side because that'll take a little bit. Then we have to go to port map. You need port map for this. And sorry, I had to go for a little bit. Okay. Yeah, you need port map for this. So click on download now for port map, and it'll start downloading. Okay, that's all the downloads we need for this. So bring your Craft Bukkit download into your Bukkit server folder and rename that thing. Rename it to craftbukkit.jar. Just craftbukkit.jar. Forget about all the other stuff. And then now we have to bring port map to your sidebar because that's very important. You really need that. And then after that, you have to go to Spotlight and then type in text edit. Open it up and click on Format, Make Plain Text. Then you'll have to go to another site and get this code, because you need this code to make the server. And it's right here. It's right here. Copy this under Mac OS X. Copy this, and then paste it in your text edit. Save it to your desktop, because that's the easiest place, and name it to server.command, or you can name it to, make sure you spell command right, because you really need to have command. You can't have doc, text, or anything else. You have to have .command. And you have to have server or start. So name it to server or start. Server.command, and then save. Then bring that server.command into your Bukkit server folder. And this is actually how you'll start your server. You'll just double click on server.command and it'll start it, but right now you can't because you don't have the privileges. So now we have to go to terminal, which is in Spotlight, so just search terminal. Open it up and type in chmod, chmod, space a plus x, space. Make sure you put a space. And then drag the server.command into this terminal, and then press enter. Now that's all you have to do. So exit out of terminal and double click on server.command. It'll say it won't work. It'll say a warning. So now this is the time when we have to open up port map. So open up port map and click on File, New Mapping, and name it 12345, or name it 12345, and then press Add Mapping. And then you have to go to Server Properties in the Bukkit server folder, and then click on Server Port. It's right here, Server Port. Delete the 25565 and name it to 12345 instead. And then save. And then now it should work. So click out of this terminal and then click on server.command 2 times and it should work. It'll start downloading now. And your server IP will be the number at the top up here, and it'll be it'll be the number at the top up here, and it'll have what's it called? Okay, I'll show you my Bukkit server search top. It'll be this. It'll be that. And I'll show you it also in on Minecraft. So now it's done loading. So whenever you want to turn on your server, don't click out of this. Just like press the minus sign or something. Because if you click out of it, your server will stop and you'll crash it and make it messed up. So when you want to stop your server, you just type in STOP for stop, and it'll stop your server. So I'm going to show you an example about what my server on. Multiplayer. This will be my server right here. It'll be this is my IP, and then you'll have to put this thing right here, and then 1 2 3 4 5. So you have to type in your server IP, and then 1 2 3 4 5 with this thing right here. And that's how you make a server. And thank you for watching. Send feedback if you need. If it doesn't work for you. And yeah, that's how you make a server. So thank you for watching. Bye.